1,400 for question banks, 1,200 for sample question papers, and nearly 900 for competency based questions. So these are the prices of books which have flourished in market. What about those poor students and typical middle class students of a 10th grade who are aiming for good marks in their 10th boards examination? Is it necessary to buy all these costly books? So the question arises that is there any alternative for all these kinds of books which is genuine and free of cost? So the answer to this question is of course yes. Hi everyone, my name is Rohit and today in this video I am going to tell you 4 resources of books which are genuine and officially released by CBSE to help their students, and these are free of cost. So let's start the video. Going to tell you all those 4 resources which are absolutely free for students. Number 1 is NCERT exemplar question, second is question bank officially released by CBSE, third is the competency based question which is also officially released by CBSE, and the last one is sample question papers. So there is no need of buying all these things from another sources because all these things are released by CBSE officially to help their students. So you can access them all these resources free of cost. So first of all, NCERT exemplar questions, you just have to search for NCERT exemplar class 10 on Google, and there you will find the first website of NCERT, ncert.nic.in, and there you will see exemplar problem. You have to click on that, and then after you can see the section of class 10th. You have to click on that, and here you can see the subjects like mathematics, science. So here you can get the exemplar questions of maths and science. You can access them by just clicking on them and downloading those PDFs. So these are you can see the quantity of questions which each chapter holds, and question sometimes arises directly from these exemplar questions, so you must solve all these things. The second one is question bank, which is officially released by CBSE to help their students. So to access that, you just have to search for the official website of CBSE, that is cbse.gov.in. After you have opened this website, you just have to go through this academic website section, and here on the right hand side corner you can see a small corner of question bank. You just have to click on that, and then after you have to click on that class 10th, and here you can find the question bank for class 10th of maths, science and English. You just have to click on that and download the PDF. So you can see the quantity of questions which is given in this question bank, and these are officially released by CBSE. So this might arise in the examination also. It's time for competency based question, because the questions arised in the board examination are 50% based on competency. For competency based also, there is a section of handbooks on the right hand side corner of the same CBSE website. So a new interface opens of handbooks and manuals where you can find the competency focused practice questions of maths as well as science. So of different sessions like session 24-25, you can solve all these questions for if you want to practice extra competency based question, because all these are officially released by CBSE. This was the source for your practice of competency based questions. Therefore there is no need of buying any extra reference book for it. Now at the end of the year, many students go for sample question paper books, which is costly. But I think that there is no need to buy any extra book from outside, because CBSE officially releases its sample question paper. You can see on the left hand side corner there is a section of sample question paper where you can find the question paper of nearly past 10 years sample question paper with marking scheme. So I think this is sufficient for your preparation of for sample question paper practice, and therefore you should go with it, and there is no need of buying any extra sample question paper from market, and it is sufficient for your 10th boards preparation. So this was all about those 4 free resources which I used to follow during my preparation, and these are free of cost, so you can definitely use them without purchasing any other book from market. I wish these resources will help you in your preparation and to help you to get good marks. So if you find the video informative then and useful, then you can subscribe to my channel for more videos and like the video. Till then, keep connected. Bye.